Hey, and welcome back for another video. Today's video is one that I'm pretty excited about because over the last few years, helmets have become pretty standard safety gear for skiers and snowboarders, and they're definitely more visible on the mountain. Personally, I never ride without my helmet, and a company has been really kind to send me a helmet to review. Now, I should say that as with all of my videos on this channel, the opinions expressed in this one are my own and they are honest. If I think it's naff, I'll tell you it's naff. But be sure to subscribe if you're not already and watch this video all the way to the end because the company has also been kind enough to send me an additional helmet to hand out to one of you guys. Before we get into the nuts and bolts, let's get this thing unboxed and we can take a look at the Monata Snowboard Helmet. The Monata Snowboard Helmet has 8 vents on the top to allow air to flow freely around the helmet so you don't overheat when you're riding. Just in case you take that bail or you want to place your goggles on the top of your helmet, there's a clip on the rear to keep them in place. The dial fit system is an adjustable system that allows you to increase or decrease the size of the helmet to fit heads between 53 and 60 centimeters in diameter. The ear flaps are made of a soft fabric which feels really comfortable against the skin. Similarly, the chin strap has the same soft fabric on the inside and uses a quick release buckle to fasten and unfasten. The chin strap is of course adjustable in length. Inside the helmet there is a removable fleece liner. The added mesh allows air to circulate out through the vents. The helmet meets the following safety certifications and utilises an industry standard ABS shell construction with EPS foam liner. Just in case you're wondering how the Monata Snowboard Helmet fits with certain goggles and different brands, top left is the Pop Cornea, bottom left is the Anon Sync, bottom right is the Smith Squad Mag. All of those goggles fitted really nicely with no gap showing between the top of the goggle and the rim of the helmet. Now that we've been able to get our hands into and look at the Monata Snowboard Helmet, this seems like a pretty good time to tell you my final thoughts. In general, it's an incredibly light helmet, it's incredibly comfortable to wear. The soft fabric that is used on the ear flaps and on the chin guard just feels really nice against your skin. If I had one gripe, it revolves around the clip on the back that I don't think is going to last me long. I don't think that is durable, but in general, I think the helmet is incredibly well made. As a gripe, that doesn't necessarily put me off using or purchasing one of these helmets because I tend to wear my goggle strap underneath my helmet anyway. You might have noticed that behind me on the screen, the helmet is available in a black. That's what I've got available for you guys to win, a blue and a white. And if you are looking to purchase a Monata Snowboard Helmet, then there will be a link down below in the description. Now, how can you get your hands on one through the competition? So all you need to do is answer this question. In my recent videos from Landgraf, Europe's largest indoor snowdome, I was wearing one of the pair of goggles that I was modelling with this helmet earlier in this video. Was it A, the Pop Cornea goggles? Was it B, the Smith Squad Mag goggles? Or was it C, the Anon Sync goggles? So if you haven't seen those videos, make sure to check them out. Check out which goggles I was wearing and then drop your comment down below in this video. I'll be in touch with one of the people who gets it correct and hopefully the helmet will be winging its way out to you soon as possible. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the thumb. If you would like to see me review a particular product, get in touch and I will see if I can get my hands on it. As always, Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.